Have you ever felt lonely and in need of a friend? Well, now you can have one for just $5.
$5, $5 best friend.
With the National $5 Best Friend Association, your friend will immediately show up to your front porch within just one day. I repeat, one day. And not only is his best friend very clingy,
Like some couples I know. ...
but he also comes with a Rastafarian banana. So whenever you need someone to pick your nose for you, pop your back pimples for you, give you oatmeal baths, pick your eye boogers for you, and if you pay an extra $1, we'll throw in an exclusive offer, using them as a pillow, rubbing your stomach when your tummy hurts.
So subscribe now, and you will get a $5 best